SpongeBob, this is the second time I've had to reteach you about the phylum Porifera. You don't pay attention in class, so just ask all the questions you have now.
I am sorry, it's so hard to listen with your monotone voice.
Come on, I don't have all day, so just hurry.
Alright, fine. What does porifera mean again?
The name Porifera means poor-bearing. Phylum Porifera are also commonly known as sponges. There are many shapes of porifera. They're not all square, you know.
Very funny. So what are phylum porifera's characteristics?
They're obnoxious and will not listen in class. Just kidding. Please don't tell your mother I said that. Anyways, to know the characteristics of phylum Porifera, we must first know the characteristics of kingdom Animalia. All organisms belonging to kingdom Animalia are multicellular. They are also all heterotrophic, which means that they must consume other organisms. All cells belonging to kingdom Animalia are eukaryotes, which also means they have no cell walls.
Now that I know what all animals have in common, can we get back to porifera?
Yes, but just be patient. The defining characteristics of phylum Porifera are its being covered in pores, its asymmetrical body plan, and how its body develops starting with two cell layers.
Wait, but I am symmetrical.
True, but you're also not real. Since sponges belong in kingdom Animalia, we know they must feed on some type of organism. You may be thinking,
Sponges can't move, so how do they get their food?
but sponges are known as filter feeders, and use special cells to filter parts of plankton from the water current. The way they release waste is when the water current is passing through their pores. They use diffusion to help oxygen remove the waste from its body. Remember that day when you said, "What are you waiting for, Gary?" then spit water at him?
Yeah, but how do you know about it?
Never mind that. You were really just releasing waste along with the water. Porifera have no appendages, nervous system, or any distinct tissues or organs.
How do they survive against predators?
As a useful survival adaptation, some sponges can release toxic substances for protection.
I know I can. Hehehehe.
That's gross, SpongeBob. They have also adapted so they can constrict their pores to hold more water.
How do sponges reproduce, and is it sexual or asexual?
Porifera can reproduce asexually and sexually. The sexual reproduction is preformed by releasing its sperm into the water. The current then carries it to fertilize another's eggs.
Where do they live and grow?
Come on, are you serious? Where do you live and go every day?
I don't know. A pineapple.
No. In the water. Around 99% of sponges live in marine water. But some, made of spongin, live in fresh water such as rivers and lakes. The ones found in the ocean are located deep along the ocean floor. Do you get it now?
Yeah, I guess.
Still, it's pretty sad you of all the kids having trouble with this.
No, I was just playing you. I had nowhere to be until 5. My parents are here now.